Good morning everyone. I am Chaitanya. Today I am discussing about literature survey research group publications related to cybercrime. Encasing the baneful side of internet. Baneful means harmful or destructive, abstract. Information threats caused by undesirable elements challenging to ICT community. Exploration for safety and security of societies and nations. Case study for analysis. Attempt to present alternate approaches. Supportive to cyber forensics. Introduction. Internet is unsafe zone for students and teenagers. Cyber fraud means identity theft victim, an individual or an organization. Example: email fraud, advance fee fraud, employment scam. Computer forensics. Legal evidence found in computers and digital storage media. Methods to recover and investigate digital evidence. Forensics process. Analysis tools. Cyber forensics. Cyber warfare. Information warfare. Fifth domain of warfare. Fire. Methods of attack. Motivation. Cyber counterintelligence. Effects at prohibition. Case study. J&H Jack. Logo on the RHS in the picture of J&H Jack. Government of Telangana. Gold national seal. Anti-constitutional and anti-national. 1530 registered citizens. Conclusions. Cyber tools and tactics favor nationals' robust ICT. Case study. Empirical study on internet. Self-development and social development. Ethics. Proper handling of internet. Remedying threats caused by the abuse of cyberspace against nations and societies. Another one. A case study of web content mining in handling cybercrime. Abstract. Culprits websites that involve three crimes: sedition, state emblem of India, prohibition of improper use, Act 2005 violation, and cheating crime. Usage of web crawler tool for web content mining. J&H Jack affiliated to online CGOT and online SGOT. Snapshots of homepage of culprits websites, that is evidence. Presents how they serve as cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cyber crimes. Cyber forensics. Field of study with respect to forensics evidence related to web data and resources. Web archiving. Internet archives on a non-profit digital library. An activist or organization that advocates for a free and fair internet. The bulk of its data as is collected automatically by its web crawlers. Web crawlers preserves as much of the public web as possible. The Wayback Machines contains over 150 billion web captures. Wayback Machines, a web crawler tool to capture snapshots of web pages, sites online. Web pages or sites in online. Growing at a rate of 50 to 60 terabytes per week. A service that allows people to visit achieved versions of websites. Type in a URL, select the data range. Sedition and cheating. Sedition, pencilizes and spoken or written words are visible. Representations which attempt to bring into hatred or contempt or exact or attempt to exit disaffection towards the government established by law. Cheating. Cheats destroys anything signed, sealed. Capturing the snapshots of the culprit's website's homepage. Results of web crawling. Two snapshots 12th November 2011 to 1st August 2015. 13th February 2012, 18th April 2012. Tool saved the website 10 times. Logo, Indian national emblem and Government of Telangana. This logo is part of the image during the years 2011 to 2014. Conclusion. Culprits, Government of Telangana involved in 3 crimes. Web content mining results drawn from the Wayback Machine. 2 Snapchat through crimes. Threats to national spirit and national integration of India. Such cheating, fake sedition, goat should be prohibited and rooted out. Guidelines and counseling. Literature survey research group publications related to cybercrime. Exploring cyber intelligence alternatives for countering cybercrime. Abstract. Case study has J&H Jack website. Any attempt to find lies in the prevailing cyber laws and the IT Act 2000 and related Amendment Act 2008, CRT in and ICANN organization. Introduction. Intelligence, artificial intelligence, web intelligence, cyber intelligence, cyber crimes and forensics. Cyber crime definition. Cyber crime state emblem of India, Prohibition of Improper Use Act 2005 for regulations of commercial and improper use of emblem of India. Description of national emblem. Provisions. No person can use the emblem of any
colorable imitation in a manner so as to create an impression that it is associated with or an official document of the central government or state government, as the case may be, without taking permission of the appropriate government. No person can use the emblem for commercial purpose or as any part of the patent, title, trademark or design except in the cases as specified by the central government. Registration of intellectual property containing the emblem is prohibited. Central government has the power to regulate and make rules for proper usage of the emblem. Creation of a false impression of association with government is punishable with